प्यारे बच्चों, आज तुम्हें हम लेसन 2 के क्वेश्चंस लिख कर भेज रहे हैं। उन्हें याद करना है जो इस टेस्ट में भी आएंगे, और लेसन हिस्ट्री में सेकंड और जाग्रफी में सेकंड, 2 लेसन आपके मासिक टेस्ट में अगले संडे को जो टेस्ट होना है उसमें आएंगे। उन्हें अच्छी तरह याद करके अपनी कॉपी पर भी लिख लें। पहला क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन आपको कुछ बता दे रहा हूँ। इन विच ईयर डिड द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन हैपन बिफोर 1917? इन 1905 द रशियन रिवॉल्यूशन हैपन बिफोर 1917. In which Tsar rule did Russian Revolution happen? The Tsar Nicholas II was ruled at that time when the Russian Revolution happened. Point out any cause of Russian Revolution. Russian Revolution of 1905. There were main 2 causes of the Russian Revolution of 1905 as follow. First है strike of the worker and Bloody Sunday, formation of Duma. थर्ड है, हमने अपनी तरफ से लिख दिया है, रशिया हैड बीन डिफीटेड इन इट्स वॉर विद जापान। इसके बाद 4 है, 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, वेयर वाज द फर्स्ट रशियन फ्लैग रेवोल्यूशन होस्टेड? द फर्स्ट रशियन फ्लैग ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन होस्टेड एट सेंट पीटर्स इन 1693. Which class of people got predominance as a result of Russian Revolution? Workers or Bolshevik of people got predominance as a result of Russian Revolution? Why is the Russian Revolution called the chief event of the world history? The Russian Revolution called the chief event of world history because after the Russian Revolution, the probability of the rule of the workers become stronger and Communist Party were formed in many countries. Who was the leading the Bolshevik in the Russian Revolution? Menshevik was the leading the Bolshevik in Russian Revolution. Who forced the Tsar abdicated power Russia? पेट्रोग्राड इंसर्जेंट, या कह सकते हो इंसर्जेंट की जगह में ये भी कह सकते हो आर्मी कमांडर, एंड प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट फोर्स द जार abdicate पावर इन रशिया. हु वाज द लीडर ऑफ द टेम्परेरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मिडिल क्लास इन रशिया? केरेंस्की वाज द लीडर ऑफ टेम्परेरी government of the middle class of Russia. Who was the Russian ruler at that time, First World War? Tsar Nicholas was the Russian ruler at that time of First World War. What is meant by the autocracy? Autocracy means that the system of government by one person with absolute power. 12 है, when did the Russian ruler Tsar Nicholas II resign? The Russian ruler Tsar Nicholas II resigned 15 March 1917. The Russian ruler Tsar Nicholas. 13 number question, the which diplomatic state further corrupted the autocratic rule of Russia? Lenin said further corrupted the autocracy rule of Russia. What mean by kolkhoz? It is form of agriculture in Russia which have a purpose of joint agriculture production. What mean by the communist system? It is system of social organization based on the holding of all property in common actual ownership. फोर्थ है, अगला 16 नंबर है, which power were called allied nation? The Britain, France and United States were called allied nations. Which powers were called central power? They are the Germany, Austria and Bulgaria were called central powers. Whose आगे लिख सकते हो, whose against the allied nation. इसको आगे और क्वेश्चन सर हमने दिए हैं, आप पूरा कंप्लीट करके ये लाइएगा, फिर आगे और बताएं।